Hello shooters and airsofters, now let's do some drills. For today's drill, I'm working with 4 aces. So 4 aces is basically safety Nazis. First is hands relaxed at side, gun holstered, engage target with 2 rounds, then reload, then engage each target again with 2 more rounds. So one of the main benefits why we practice 4 aces is 1. For the flat foot reloads, or 2. For the emergency reload. So you're not gonna have a hard time maneuvering or manipulating your gun while reloading and shooting. Now I'm gonna show you my video doing the 4 aces. Enjoy, guys. 2.74. One more. 2.67. 2.27. Ibigay. 3.32. Last one, let's try it very fast. Let's see what happens. That's that. 2.17. That's the fastest. If you're having a hard time doing the 4 aces and you're doing it very slow, here are the things that you need to look for. First, you need to go to your basics. Basic draw, basic reload. So you just need to do it fast and consistent. Next is you need to relax. If you're not relaxed, if you're tense up, you're gonna have a hard time doing the reload and the draw. Another tip that I can give you is you should look at the magwell when you're doing the reload. Don't forget that thing. So that's it, guys. I hope you've learned something from this, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.